Passover is next week, and if you are hosting a Seder and stressing about prepping the meal, do not worry. Chop Happy, aka Jason Goldstein is here to show you how to make everything for your guest in an air fryer. How is this possible, Jason? It's always great to see you.
It's so good to see you. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah. When I was told we're going to do an entire Seder in the air fryer, I was like, So before we get into the air fryer, for those who do not know, hosting a Passover Seder, it's a big deal.
Yeah.
There's a service involved. There's the whole bit. So give us the quick one-liner of what to do.
Okay, buy some things and make some things, and the air fryer actually is the hack because while you're cooking your brisket, you can make other things in the air fryer. So this way, you have more oven space for other stuff.
It is one of my favorite holiday meals.
Yes,
I have to say that.
Yes.
You had me at brisket.
Thank you, thank you. And all the food has symbolism, so the food takes the center star, so it's really makes the food even more fun.
I will say you outdid yourself. This is a gorgeous Passover table. Okay, so what is the most important part of the meal? Matzah, yes?
Yes, yes.
What are we doing with the matzah? How are we zhuzhing it up?
Okay, so instead of that boring, like cardboard tasting matzah, we're gonna make it from scratch. It's crazy easy.
You're making matzah from scratch?
From scratch, yes, yes. It's crazy easy. So you just need some flour. You can get all this stuff in your pantry.
Yep.
So 1.5 cups of flour, a little bit of salt. It's like the magic fairy dust that makes everything taste good.
Fairy dust, fairy dust.
Yes. See, it's all magical. And then the secret I use is olive oil instead of regular oil.
Okay.
So this way you get a fruity background,
so
it doesn't taste like that cardboardy taste, and it goes right in there. And then I'm gonna have you help me, okay? So you're gonna slowly pour in the water. It's just 1/2 cup of water.
Just regular water.
And you're gonna
in one spot, like in a well, or everywhere?
Just anywhere. And the reason you're doing this is because it evenly distributes the dough, so you get absorption of the water. You do this with regular bread as well too.
Okay.
And this way you get a nice even dough, and it's less kneading that you need to do at the end.
This was literally how many ingredients? 1, 2, 3?
3
and
ingredients.
4 with water?
Yeah, and then you just mix it up, and look how easy that comes into a dough like that. Yeah, just like that. And you can add all kinds of flavors, so you can make it like cinnamon to make it more dessert-like.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have some matzah therapy. Are you ready? We'll do this together.
I'll
use this as well too for it.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take this, a fork together. Let's cheers to the forks, right? Like that. And then we're gonna poke holes in our matzah, because as the Jewish people were leaving, the matzah, the bread did not rise, so the symbolism of the most famous cracker is on this holiday, the matzah, and this helps it not rise. And then this is where you can get really creative. This is so fun with your kids.
This is so therapeutic.
Yeah, right? It really is. It really is. You feel better and less stressed, right? So what happens is that at this point, if you want, your kids can take like the brush and put the egg wash and like they're painting.
So nice.
And then you can put sesame seeds on here, everything, bagel seasonings, za'atar.
Whatever flavor you'd like.
And it tastes so good.
Oh my goodness.
And then
I'm gonna continue.
This is the best part, right? You just keep doing that because it keeps you from the stress of the holidays and the guests who are coming, right? For the person who eats too much of the food.
Exactly.
Okay, so the last part of this is you're gonna take it, put it in your air fryer.
And did you line it with parchment?
Lined it with parchment. Okay. And the reason you're doing that is because what it does is it keeps it from sticking. And you're gonna go 4 minutes one side.
What?
4 minutes the other side.
4 minutes?
Yeah, 400
minutes.
degrees. Yeah, and it gets nice and crispy. And depending on your air fryer, you want to watch just to make sure that it doesn't burn, but it's really forgiving in an air fryer. That's why I like it better than an oven.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, and the air circulates, so it gets really crispy.
You just took the stress out of the whole thing.
Yes, and it's fun, right?
And it is fun. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome.
This is always a pleasure. You've also provided us with lunch, so thank you very much.
Yeah, oh yeah, anytime. Yes.
For more delicious, easy recipes, follow Jason at Chop Happy on Instagram.